It's that time of the year again. But can you believe that this was yesteryear?
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone
2020 was a year like no other. Many believe that the number is jinxed.
we have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling.
After facing the second wave of COVID-19 that swept across France, many feared that Christmas would be cancelled this year.
No one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say.
Luckily, President Emmanuel Macron announced on the 24th of November 2020 a decrease of COVID-19 restrictions divided into 3 phases.
Glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to.
Many shops were reopened after the country plunged in a total confinement.
We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace.
Still, the economy faced tremendous challenges. Many restaurants and shop owners were frightened to lose the gains made during these holidays.
Down, and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day.
A curfew was still established between 8 p.m. till 6 in the morning.
This holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic
And though the spreading of the virus was fatal, people were everywhere. Families were afraid that they will be torn apart, but luckily an exception was made for the Christmas Eve.
And it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents.
Let's just say that the Grinch failed to steal Christmas 2020.